Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a Chanel double unboxing to share with you. So these two items are from the new collection that is launching this week. It is the 21B collection. And yeah, I'm gonna get right into it. This is a true unboxing. I have not seen these items in person yet. I ordered them and they just arrived. So let's get right into it. So it is a bag and an SLG. Here's the receipt. And let's slide this out of the bag here. It's a big box. All right. So I'm gonna start. I'll start with the SLG. So here's the dust bag. And here is, this is the So Black flat card holder in black lambskin with black hardware. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty, and the lambskin is really soft and shiny and puffy. It's really nice. Wow. Yeah, I love So Black, so I definitely wanted to get something from this collection since there were some So Black classic pieces. So that is the first item, and it is not a matching item to the bag, just so you know. So this is just a little So Black item that I decided to pick up. So here is the big one. This is one I've been dying to see. This was, yeah, kind of the only bag that really caught my eye when I first saw the new collection. So I'm hoping I love it in person as much. Oh, the box is the wrong way around. I'm hoping I love it in person as much as I loved it in pictures. So let's open it up. So as you can see, black tissue paper. So you know it is a classic. And here is the white dust bag and oh, what's this? This is different. I've never seen this one before. Huh, it's a little like booklet. Here, I'll just show you. Booklet about the classic flap. I've never seen that booklet before. Interesting. Okay, so here is the dust bag. Oh, and it's very nicely wrapped in tissue. I'm excited to see this. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Okay, this is the small size classic flap in black lambskin with the new rose gold hardware. Wow. Okay, the rose gold hardware is really pretty. It is a true rose gold. I'm not even wearing much rose gold jewelry, so if you can compare it to my bracelet, which is rose gold, it actually looks pinker than that. Wow, it is beautiful. And I got it in this small size, which is my favorite size for classic flap. And the lambskin is so buttery soft and puffy and beautiful. Wow. Yeah, I have mixed feelings about lambskin. It's so beautiful. It is more delicate, obviously, but I just couldn't resist this rose gold hardware. Okay, let's open all of this up so you can see the chain. There we go, now we can see it better. Yeah, that hardware is so pretty. I'm so glad I got this. Wow, it's gorgeous. Okay, so there's the felt. And it is made in France. It's the interior. Wow, it's so beautiful. Okay, so I will try to post some pictures that show the hardware color. It's a lot of the pictures I've seen, it just looks gold, but in person it definitely looks rose gold. Even on camera, it's not coming across as pink as it actually is in person. But anyway, it is really beautiful. So those are my two items from 21B, both lambskin, which is not usually my first choice, but the lambskin, I have to say, on both of these is gorgeous. So I'm definitely glad that I was able to get my hands on both of these items. Let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.